Two really good players.
In Colombo, they made it look like the batters will have more joy here. And also,
well, teams batting, so no surprises that Kusal Mendes did its score from Colombo. It was in the 1-4.
not the start that Kandy would have wanted. Struck hard. And when as a fielder, you don't have to trigger that.
What you're saying, short and wide.
It seems like he predetermined a position to execute that shot. Excellent. Chamira, he so reminds me of Mohammed. He had a similar kind of... But this is what he does.
Well, Dushman, he's such a good wicket, but his penetration is very...
How about the captaincy? Big wicket. Kusal Mendes for 4. Wasn't quite where he wanted it. Whenever a batsman, he didn't bat 9, he went after it and picked. This will be 4 more as well.
Samara Vikrama, he's that kind of a player. And you go after it. That guy.
A lot of confidence and go and do the job for my team. I think it's good.
TV umpire did that.
A good referral that was. It wasn't that short to be.
A wee bit. Sits deep in the crease, tries to get, still goes down as 4 in the scorebook.
Cross. That's just...
Could that be the third? Of course, not. Impact, make the signal. Brilliant. Odds. Kusal Pereira's gone.
Paste.
I'll have a swing, he said. Great off that. A huge 6 on Jaya De Silva.
Some absolute terrific noise there. Full wind up to this here in this game. That's nicely struck. Seems to coach is happy.
Him not G 2 for 22 or 5. Room slapped away. No way to finish the over. A big one.
Found the fielder this time. It was in danger. Good.
The opposition. Taken. It should be taken. It is. It's in the end. And that is the
one because this partnership was troubling the team. Nice there. Not be big wicket. Fernando gone.
That they do tend to slip away to follow. Great way to finish the over. 81 for 4.
Has to make the right calls. A lot of with it.
Yeah, did a piece of proactive batting though from Alex. Expect to see the switch.
That's 4.
Calls at the batter.
Yeah, it's just get Alex Ross hitting you down the ground.
96 for 4. The shot, it's gone all the way. In fact, Manba.
Director, can you... Gorgeous. Overhit the ball, just timed it.
Goes again. Should find the ropes, and he does. It's 100 and... Might be a no ball too. On the umpires are going to have a word. I think he's happy with the height. But
now he must be thinking, must that keep on bowling like that? That was easy.
To close it out.
They needed that wicket again. Pick Alex Ross.
Once again, just rolling the fingers on the ball. Alex Ross looked
all the way, I think. It does.
Stands up on the hip. Little tickle me.
See. And will complete the 8.
Good pitch where others have not.
Will be 4. That will be 4. Expensive in the last. His economy sits at over 14 to...
Oh boy, I would have asked the question if I was...
Very neat. And Dhananjaya 19th. 1.
Some brutal shots, middle order, and getting a 50 in the... that is not special, what is? The length probably, because it's just too short and set up that for 6 over mid-wicket.
Said about the bowling changes. I mean, this have all of this. He doesn't, but he has 156 for 6.
Kind of wasted last couple of balls. Kandy as this
Likes to take on the ballers from the word go.
And trying to slog the ball. They've got
Binra Fernando.
start. It's exactly where you want. Little hint of movement.
Kharzama. Inside edge. Could have gone. It
Looks to take him on straight away. Clears that angle to free the arms, and it's just the.
He knows he's lucky. 4.
Second inside edge for affording himself that luck, trying to smith.
The fielder didn't get his timing right. It's Alex.
They change slightly off into the hip.
they need this partnership to grow.
Try and sweep. The placement was perfect.
Really poor delivery. To bowl during the power play is not an experienced toss.
Straightforward and straight away.
Called for the sweep. No fields.
Making good Yundu. An easy shot with the spin.
For some reason just went into a shell.
3 boundaries in a row.
That's a ball is spinning back into the stump. Why have a ring of feel on the pretty straight like that?
Absolutely right. That ball was just
This is not great bowling. Batsman again.
merciless. The innings he's capable of.
So far, so no improvisation. So easy angle for Chandimal in this partnership.
That's another one. Very close to that.
First 50 opening. Got a platform. It's the only question. The fieldersmen are running round as well.
Catch of the century bigger. It was such a ball picked up. Went, flick it back into play, not to be.
Spinners come to mind. Wait, that is beautiful.
At all, he was lucky because of it. They need to be careful.
Oh, he's going to take that soft dismissal. It was as well. We're after.
Was Zaman almost a half tracker hitting at the bowler. Reverse comes to an end. 28 he got, and it's 69.
He is a dead.
Oh, and a boundary. That's not good.
Last man coming back for a second spell.
3-4 minutes. That momentum.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Chandimal, he played well.
Too much work for deep backward square.
And the pace really helped. Just helped the ball and looking for boundaries.
Wide. It's gone to the boundary.
Too short once again. Around middle of the pitch. No, but we have seen this.
Length right. There at the crease. And
Once again, cross seam, stump, and he bounced to
ourselves down. And exactly what they needed. They'll get in.
great reflection. Reflects easy. Not quite. Amindo Mendes
And that will be the end.
helped on its way.
Waits on it. And almost stepping onto the stumps, but
Placed. He's doing some backward point and a man at